This is Channel 2.
Good evening. Rescue services are counting the cost of a major earthquake which hit the San Francisco area today. It's feared more than 200 people are dead. Bridges collapsed and buildings were knocked down after the quake struck during the afternoon rush hour. Several fires erupted in the city and power supplies were temporarily cut off. Rescue services are still looking for victims trapped in the rubble. There's renewed hope tonight of an end to the waterfront dispute. The watersiders and employers have agreed on a deal to get freight moving. Now all that's needed is a go-ahead from the harbour workers. A national government will give young offenders the choice between prison or a short, sharp stint of military training. National says the policy would apply to youngsters convicted of serious crimes such as assault or burglary. That's Newsbreak. Eyewitness News is on Television 1 at 9:30. I'll be back at 10:30.